SIORA is a coastal sanctuary. The community will have an access to 6 kilometers of open beach. This is one clubhouse at the right side of the community, 2 million square feet of beachfront master plan. You have grade A hotels here offering you a panoramic views. Welcome to SIORA, the new flagship master plan by the Beyond Development at Dubai Island. And today we are exploring the very first launch of this extraordinary coastal community. If you are searching for a project that isn't just another Dubai development, but one built with intention, clarity, and long-term value in mind, you are in the right place. SIORA is a 2 million square feet of beachfront master plan built around a Japanese concept, ikigai, meaning purposeful living, clarity, and balance. More than 70% of the area is dedicated to open spaces and greening, meaning 1.5 million square feet of the entire master plan will have parks, greenery, open spaces, shaded pathways, and terraces. The community will have an access to 6 kilometers of open beach, 10 kilometers of jogging and cycling tracks, sculptural art installation. SIORA is a coastal sanctuary built for people who want more than just a home, who want a lifestyle built around well-being. SIORA sits on the southern west side of Dubai Island's Bay, meaning offering you a panoramic views towards the ocean, the coastline, the cove, and on the rear side you're getting a beachfront villa community views and the Dubai city skyline views. Dubai Islands is designed to be the biggest major coastal destination in Dubai, and it's easy and accessible from all of the major and key hubs in Dubai, like Dubai downtown, 15 minutes away, Dubai International Airport, 15 minutes away, DIFC, 10 to 15 minutes away. You get the quietness of island life, and still you can go back into the city within minutes. Now, here's one of the biggest advantages of the SIORA community. If we compare the price per square foot that SIORA, the HADO cluster, is launching at, it's an average of 3,000 dirham per square foot. If we look at other major coastal communities like Palm Jumeirah, where the price per square foot is between 5,000 to 6,000 dirham per square foot. If we look at Blue Waters, that's 5,000 dirham per square foot. If we look at Emaar Beachfront, that's around 4,000 to 5,000 dirham per square foot. Here you are getting the best undervalued price per square foot for this kind of flagship community where you have the land is rarely built up. Only 30% of the entire master plan will have concrete. The rest 70%, 1.5 million square feet of the community will have greenery, parks, and open spaces to have a purposeful living built around well-being. Another major advantage of this master community is it is a beachfront community. And we know that in Dubai, out of all of the transaction in the market, only 8% involve the waterfront and beachfront communities. This makes the beachfront communities a true scarcest trophy asset in the entire Dubai real estate market. In Dubai, the entire coastline is 72 kilometers, and out of that, 80% is leasehold. We have only 20% like Palm Jumeirah, Blue Waters, JBR, and Dubai Islands and Maritime City. And that's really small portion of the entire supply in the market. And these properties are the most demanded out of all of the properties and the client preferences. They always prefer to have a waterfront and beachfront properties. All of the tourists that are coming to Dubai, they're doing two things in Dubai. They're either going to malls, Dubai malls, Mall of the Emirates to do shopping and all of that, or either they come to enjoy the beachfront and waterfront life. Here is another major advantage of this master plan community, SIORA, that you are getting a built-in capital appreciation. We know that in every master community in Dubai, there is always a same pattern. Every major developer in their master communities, they increase the prices by 5 to 8% with each new launch, with each new phase. They launch a new project. That means the previous project launched before that will appreciate 5 to 8% in price per square foot. This is really important. And we have saw the same pattern in every master community like Dubai Greek Harbor, Dubai Hills Estate, and other major communities. So HADO is the first launch of this SIORA master community. There are going to be another launches that means the price will go up significantly with each new launch. Like the same pattern happened in Dubai Maritime City by the same developer Beyond. Like when they launched Orise, the price per square foot increased by 5 to 8%. When they launched Sensia, when they launched the Mural, when they launched the Solaver, when they launched the Talia, all of these new launches, they helped the previous launches, they increased the prices by 5 to 8%. So if we talk about the amenities and facilities in the community, so on this row you have the residential tower. For now they launched the HADO cluster. This one is yet to come. And these are the 5th, 5th and 6th floors mixed developments here. So that means it's not gonna block your view if you have a unit on the HADO cluster facing the beach. And at the front you have grade A hotels here, where you have a sandy beach here, there you have a pool. And with each cluster, you have dedicated set of amenities, fitness facilities, wellness facilities. You have so much of everything. So if we talk about here, you can see that these are all dog-friendly parks, pocket parks and playgrounds and everything. You can take your dogs out and you can have a walk. And this is the boardwalk which connects you towards the beach. You will have so much of F&B and high-end dining at the beach and at these two clubhouses. This is one clubhouse at the right side of the community. This is another clubhouse. And around the clubhouses, you have a basketball court here, you have a tennis court, and you have other set of amenities. This is the road that connects you to the community. On the back side of the community, you have a villa community, so no obstructed views. You will give it a Dubai skyline view as well. And at the front, you have the open sea view towards the island sea, which will have a golf course as well. So these are basement, ground plus 21 residential floors, 3 towers. For now, they're launching Tower A. So as soon as you get into the community, you are greeted by double height ceiling grand lobby. And they also put some water features here at the entrance that I can see here. So this community is inspired by a Japanese concept called Ikigai. So this was it about from the markup to understand this master plan community.